Dear 9 going student, previous time we have discussed about the topics of preposition from grammar. You know that now the government is very thinking on the student because COVID-19 has grasped our nation and destroyed our education also. Due to this cause, our educated friendly government continuously started online class. At that systemic way, I have started to teach you on this basis. You know that preposition is very essential for the student. It is the part of grammar and it's completely teach us basically form of the words and expense of the word and excellency to come out from meaning. So we are very earnestly know about these topics. Previous time I said that I have started or learned you a use of preposition. From this term, I started the use of preposition. It is very elaborate and collaboration things. From this system, I have given some sentences. You have fill up this sentence also. First I write down on blackboard, the dog ran dash the road. And second sentence, the river flows dash the bridge. And third sentence, he is afraid dash. And fourth sentence, come away dash there. And fifth sentence, he died dash his country. And sixth sentence, I am fond music. Seventh sentence, God is good to me. Though it is very easy to at the first glance see the first glance, but absolutely it is very hard and difficult matter to use appropriate preposition. Our student very disheartened or disappointed to set this preposition, what is very appropriate. It's absolutely right. When we have know about the rules and regulation of grammar and know about its basic term, then I must use appropriate preposition words. So I earnestly instruct the student to fill up in these gaps, and I also help you to fill up these gaps. First sentence, here see that the dog ran the route, মানে ran across the route, রাস্তার আড়াআড়ি ভাবে কুকুরটা কি দেওয়া পাড়ি দেওয়া, আড়াআড়ি means across, এলোপাতাড়ি. From this meaning we have write down here across. And second sentence, the river flows dash the bridge. Flows means run away. Run away. Here the river flows under the bridge. Under means niche, below. And third sentence here is afraid dog. We know that afraid flow of. He is afraid of dog. And fourth sentence, come away. There means that place. Come away from there. And fifth sentence, he died. Dash his country. We know that died is flowed, died of, died for, died from. Various way its uses. So here the people died for his country. He died for his country. So here use for. And sixth sentence, I am fond. Fond means like. I am fond of music. Fond of. Here music. Good is God. God is good. Good means here bliss, kind. God is good on me. অর্থাৎ আমার উপর বলতে on. So actually our time is short or limited. Due to limited time, we cannot express elaborately in this class. So in another time, we have discussed details or more example to you. No more today. Thank you all. I am very gratitude for your nice cooperation and helpline to me. Thank you all.